Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Netflix your payment is pending problem. Let's begin. So what you're going to do first is open up your browser, then type in Netflix. Now after you're done typing Netflix, you're going to scroll down and look for something which says plans and pricing. Then you're going to click on the link. Now on the right side under related articles, you are going to select billing and payments. So here it says your Netflix service charges, resolve payment issues. So under this heading, it's going to say payment method was declined and payment method is not accepted. So you're going to see how to fix this issue. You're simply going to select the drop down option. If the bank or financial institution declined the charge, check that your payment information such as postal code, security code, expiration date are correct. Now, another solution would be to go to your bank app and then make sure that you do not have a limit put on your card. Because if you have a limit, then Netflix will not be able to charge your account. Then it says here, if not, go to the Manage Payment Info page. You may need to sign in if you haven't already. You can also try a different method. If everything is correct, you can retry your payment. Then lastly, if you're still having trouble, make sure your payment method supports e-commerce transactions. Now, the other option would be to contact them if you're still having the issue. So if you want more info, you're just going to go to the section here where there's like a red text, and this is going to be a clickable link. And this is where you can manage your payment information. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.